Hello, I am Albert, I'm an enthusiast, and this is why. So this is my RN22 Rolling Lab car in performance blue. So I built it because this car is for technology development, so for torque vectoring technology, cooling technology for high performance EV. And it plays a strong role from an engineering point of view in R&D to transform high performance N cars from combustion engine into electric vehicles. And it's also an appetizer for our next N vehicle, which will be the Ioniq 5N. And we can also look at it as a little bit like the first test mule car for the next N car after the Ioniq 5N. So since then, it has done a lot of development duties with our engineers in Namyang and in HMETC. And we are focusing a lot also on the emotional aspects of driving. So we added outside speakers to have really a nice, strong N sound in the car. And so we also developed the virtual gear shifting. And in the RN22, we show the virtual gear shifting in combination with this strong sound to the media, to customers, to get feedback. And that we can understand, okay, where can we go to make this transition into high-performance electrification in the best possible way? So, and you know, with the combustion N cars, we raised the bar a lot when it comes to driving excitement, driving experience on the most emotional way. And we want to meet that level with an EV, with high-performance characteristics, as good as with the existing N cars. And the RN22 plays a big role in this. I love it because it's already so much fun to drive, and we learned so many things from the RN22 already as a rolling lab vehicle, and so many of these things will go into Ioniq 5N. My best driving experience so far has been to race in the 24-hour Nürburgring endurance racing when I had my own little race team with my own little touring car. So I will never forget my 24-hour racing. Actually, I only raced 20 hours and then the engine broke, but still it was a very significant driving experience for me. If I had one road and one passenger, I was always thinking, I want to drive from N to N. I want to drive from Namyang to Nürburgring. But as you know, there is this North Korea issue, so I cannot easily go through North Korea. So it couldn't happen so far. Maybe someday in time it can happen, and I would like to do it then. And the passenger, of course, would be my wife. She is my best passenger, of course.